When it comes to survey instruments and accessories, finding reliable dealers is crucial. In Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi, there are several dealers specializing in these products. These dealers cater to professionals in the surveying and mapping industry, offering a wide range of instruments and accessories to meet their needs. Survey instruments are essential tools for accurate measurement and data collection in various fields such as construction, land surveying, and engineering. These instruments include theodolites, total stations, GPS receivers, and laser levels, among others. To ensure the proper functioning and longevity of these instruments, it is essential to have access to high-quality accessories. In Kotla Mubarakpur, there are reputable dealers who offer a comprehensive range of survey instrument accessories. These accessories include tripods, prism poles, surveying prisms, survey markers, reflector sheets, and carrying cases. These accessories are designed to enhance the performance of the instruments and facilitate ease of use in the field. One such dealer in Kotla Mubarakpur is SCON Design. SCON Design is known for its expertise in providing top-quality survey instruments and accessories. With their extensive knowledge and experience in the industry, they understand the specific requirements of professionals and offer products that meet their expectations. SCON Design offers a wide selection of survey instrument accessories from leading brands in the industry. They understand that reliability and accuracy are paramount when it comes to surveying, and therefore, they only provide accessories that are known for their durability and precision. SCON Design's range of survey instrument accessories caters to professionals at every level, from beginners to seasoned experts. They provide comprehensive solutions for all types of surveying needs, ensuring that professionals have access to everything they require for their projects. Additionally, SCON Design offers excellent customer service and support. Their knowledgeable staff is always ready to assist customers in finding the right accessories for their specific requirements. They also provide guidance on the proper use and maintenance of these accessories to ensure optimal performance. In conclusion, when looking for survey instrument accessory dealers in Kotla Mubarakpur, Delhi, SCON Design is a reputable choice. With their extensive range of high-quality accessories and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are a reliable partner for professionals in the surveying industry. By choosing SCON Design, professionals can access top-notch survey instrument accessories that are essential for accurate measurements and successful projects. When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, finding reliable dealers is crucial for professionals in the field. One such area known for its reputable dealers is Kotla Mubarakpur in Delhi. This bustling neighborhood is home to a number of survey instrument accessory dealers who cater to the needs of surveyors and engineers. These dealers understand the importance of high-quality instruments and accessories in ensuring accurate and precise measurements, and therefore, offer a wide range of products to meet the diverse requirements of their customers. The survey instrument accessory dealers in Kotla Mubarakpur are known for their expertise and knowledge in the field. They are well-versed with the latest advancements in surveying technology and can guide customers in choosing the right instruments and accessories for their specific projects. Whether it is a total station, a theodolite, or a GPS device, these dealers have a comprehensive range of products from renowned brands to cater to every need. They also offer a variety of accessories such as tripods, batteries, chargers, carrying cases, and more, ensuring that surveyors are well equipped for any situation they may encounter on the field. One of the prominent survey instrument accessory dealers in Kotla Mubarakpur is